Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 39. Dear children, today we have a test sheet. It will cover all topics that we have been studying till now in this textbook. Let's begin. How many birds are there in each nest? Count the birds in the nest and write your answer accordingly. In the first nest, there is no bird. Hence, the answer will be 0. In the second nest, there are 2 birds. Hence, the answer will be 2. Choose the correct option. You are seeing numbers in white bubbles. You have to see the sunflowers and write the relevant numbers in the empty sunflowers. Count, add, and subtract. Then use the symbols plus and minus and write the correct answer. As the picture shows, this is addition activity. You have to add 2 hockey sticks to 6 hockey sticks. The answer will be 8. Solve the following. This is addition activity. Now that you have understood adding numbers to one another, you may solve these sums quite comfortably. However, if you are stuck somewhere with subtraction activity, ask your teacher to help you accordingly. Circle the object to show the given ordinal number. In this row, start counting ordinal numbers from left to right. Egg is the 7th object. Hence, circle the egg. That's great. I am happy that you have understood all concepts given in your textbook. Have a nice day.